Hey friends, welcome back to part 2 of our English phrases series. Did you enjoy the first 5 phrases? I hope you practiced them a lot. Today, we will learn 5 more powerful phrases that people use every day in real conversations. These phrases will make your English sound more natural and more confident. And remember, I will not only explain the meaning, but we will also practice speaking together. So don't just watch. Repeat with me. Ready? Let's jump into phrase 6.
John, I don't like my job. I think your job is much better.
Really? I don't think so. My job is very stressful. I wish I had your job.
So we both want what the other person has.
Exactly. The grass is always greener on the other side.
The phrase is, the grass is always greener on the other side. It means people often think others have a better life, but that is not always true. For example, a man with straight hair wants curly hair, and a man with curly hair wants straight hair. Another way to say it is, other people's life looks better, but it is not always better. Now repeat with me. The grass is always greener on the other side. People often think others have a better life. Other people's life looks better, but it is not always better.
John, I want to travel the world, but I also want to save a lot of money.
That's difficult. Traveling costs money.
But I want both.
Well, you can't have your cake and eat it too. You must choose one.
The phrase is, you can't have your cake and eat it too. It means you can't have everything at the same time. If you choose one thing, you may lose another. For example, if I eat a big chocolate cake, I can't also stay on a diet. Another way to say it is, you can't get everything. You need to choose. Now repeat with me. You can't have your cake and eat it too. You can't have everything at the same time. You can't get everything. You need to choose.
John, I lost my job yesterday. I feel so sad.
I'm sorry, Anna, but maybe something good will happen.
Really? I don't see anything good.
Don't worry. Every cloud has a silver lining. Maybe you will find a better job soon.
The phrase is every cloud has a silver lining. It means in every bad situation there is something good. For example, if it rains, you cannot play outside, but the flowers and trees get fresh water. Another way to say it is, something good can come from something bad. Now repeat with me. Every cloud has a silver lining. In every bad situation, there is something good. Something good can come from something bad.
John, I need to go to the dentist, but I'm so scared.
I know it's not fun, but you need to do it.
I really don't want to.
Come on, Anna, just bite the bullet and go. It will be okay.
The phrase is bite the bullet. It means do something difficult or unpleasant because you must do it. For example, I don't like cleaning my room, but I bite the bullet and clean it anyway. Another way to say it is, face the hard thing and just do it. Now repeat with me. Bite the bullet. Do something difficult because you must. Face the hard thing and just do it.
John, how was your trip to the mountains?
It was amazing. The view was so beautiful.
Wow, can you describe it?
It's hard to explain. Here, look at this photo. A picture is worth 1,000 words.
Oh, now I understand.
The phrase is a picture is worth 1,000 words. It means one picture can explain more than a long description. For example, instead of writing a long message, I can just send a photo. Another way to say it is, a photo can tell the story better than words. Now repeat with me. A picture is worth 1,000 words. One picture can explain more than many words. A photo can tell the story better than words. Awesome job, everyone. Today we learned 5 more powerful phrases in English. 6. The grass is always greener on the other side. 7. You can't have your cake and eat it too. 8. Every cloud has a silver lining. 9. Bite the bullet. 10. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Remember, don't just watch, say the phrases out loud. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. And guess what? We still have 5 more phrases waiting for you in part 3. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and share with a friend who wants to improve English too. Which phrase from today is the most useful for you? Write it in the comments. I'd love to see your answers. That's all for part 2. See you very soon in part 3. Bye-bye, my friends.